the two sisters. A long time ago, there lived a chief from the Kafia region named Tafao. Tafao married a beautiful woman. Punuiatekore was her name. It appeared that she was unable to have children. For old Maori traditions, it was good for a married couple to become pregnant as soon as possible. It was known that the oldest male child would carry the genealogy, leadership, and power of their father for the people. Punuiatekore, understanding the problem, suggested to her husband that he marry her younger sister for a second wife. This will guarantee that a child would keep the legacy of the whānau name. Tafao agreed to her plan and married Marutehiakina. As fate would have it, Punuiatekore surprised everyone and fell pregnant at about the same time as Marutehiakina. Marutehiakina, the youngest sister, gave birth first. His name was Fatihua. To her understanding, he would carry the genealogy, leadership, and power of his father for the people. Punuiatekore, the oldest sister, gave birth shortly after, and his name was Turongo. She was furious at her younger sister. She believed leadership and power should go to Turongo because she was the first wife. This would be a problem in the family for years to come. Due to the status of their father's chieftainship, the two boys grew up constantly competing with each other. However, it was Fatihua, the oldest son, who was the more aggressive, always striving to get the better of his younger half-brother in everything they did. In their youth, Fatihua mastered in contests that required physical skill and craftiness. Turongo, the younger brother, was more friendly and good-natured. As a result, he nearly always came second to Fatihua. Turongo mastered in such things as bird snaring, carving, building, singing, and oratory. He was exceptionally handsome and appealing to the ladies.